That'd be nice. Really
Alright, here we go.
Oh.
UMP-45 Labyrinth.
Okay.
Not too... It looks pretty disgusting, just to be honest.
Do whatever, yeah.
Oh, shit. Alright, I opened it. I'm not looking. Another Labyrinth. That one looks about the same. I think it's about the same. Well worn, holy shit. Alright, I'm gonna do the no look one more time. Oh, fuck. Come on, come on, come on! Give me that fucking something.
I know.
I got purple. Okay, it's not too
You got a
bad.
purple? No. What purple?
It's the Bison Osiris, but it's not that good looking.
What is it?
How much is it worth? Yeah.
I know a stat track's like 250, but
Got another Labyrinth. Holy fuck. Alright, 3 more of the breakouts and we're on to the Falchions already. I just feel it, dude. I feel it. I need it to happen. I need this to happen. Okay. Okay, come on. Oh, fucking a water elemental just passed.
damn, man, that'd have been cool. Did you get a labyrinth?
No, I got a... what's it called? Urban Hazard MP7. Alright, last breakout. Just give me something good. Alright, I mean, give it... Stat Track UMP-45. Looks like the same shitty... Still shit. Okay. Alright, so I feel like there's gonna be a key in this very... I mean, not a key, a knife in this very first one. P90 Elite build. It looks clean, though. It looks clean. It's minimal wear. Alright, let's just try to do this. Let's just go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, give me a red or a knife or anything in between. Nope. I just feel like, you know, maybe it's because you just have to be like completely oblivious. Like you just can't see it coming, you know?
Yeah, I don't know. Fucking cases.
Oh shit, that fucked me up.
I think I've gotten like one purple from a case. That's all I've ever gotten.
Oh, fucking AK just went. Oh!
What?
Oh my fucking god!
What?
No fucking way!
Did you get it?
Oh,
Oh
no
god.
fucking way!
What'd you get?
Oh my god, I just got a case hardened falchion knife.
Oh,
Dude! Well worn? I don't give a fuck, dude.
that's actually.
Oh my god, how much is that fucking thing worth? Oh my god. $176? Oh
Jesus.
my god! Oh my god!
You got one.
Oh my fucking
Dude,
god, dude, I'm shaking.
I told you, you just had to be a YouTuber. You just had to record. You fucking did. Oh my god, you actually
I'm
got.
fucking shaking, dude.
Damn.
Oh
Well,
my god. And it's not like, it's not shit. It's not it's not shit. It's not no bullshit safari mesh. Oh my god.
dude, holy shit, that is. I can't believe it, honestly. I thought you got something. Oh my god.
Holy
You got-
shit.
that-
Holy shit, dude. Oh my god, that was fucking
God.
epic.
Your luck is on today. Holy shit.
Dude, I can't,
Oh my god.
dude, okay, this sounds stupid, but I was practicing, like, getting excited for it. If that, like, I know that sounds stupid, but and it fucking happened. It fucking happened.
I can't believe you got a Falcon there. Yeah, that's like you've always wanted, huh, a Falcon?
Huntsman, but, you know.
Oh, well, yeah.
But I don't care, dude. $176 out of $2.
That might have paid off, I think, for That's how much I've spent on Steam.
I'm fucking shaking right now. Oh, give me that. Give me that. Oh, fuck yeah, dude.
What?
Yeah, I got a little P2000 handgun. It's a perfect.
Oh, dude, those are sick.
Oh my god, dude. Just. Oh, it would be so sweet if it gave me like a red or something. Oh! Gave me a pink.
What'd it give you?
SG Cyrex.
Oh my god, dude. You're getting.
Field test.
It's because you're fucking recording, isn't it? Oh, those are dude. Those are worth like $3, $3.50.
Oh, I'm not even looking at it. Right
Field test is $3.77.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that field test?
Factory new is $9.
All right, last key right here. Oh, I guess okay.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh fuck! I'm not gonna look.
You got more shit than.
Oh! No way! Oh, this is a sick opening, dude.
What did you get?
I got a yellow jacket, CZ.
You son of a bitch. God. What the fuck is that? Dude! Where?
Oh, well worn. Jesus.
That's 318.
Take it easy on me, Steam. Jesus! I got a knife! I got a fucking knife!
God.
Oh my god.
I'm looking at your inventory right now.
I cannot believe that.
I can't believe it. Dude,
Oh my
I was gonna be like,
God.
no, dude, don't open it. I can't. God damn it. That is sick.
It finally happened.
Wow, and it was a good one too. Case hardened. Those
Yeah,
are really.
and
Fuck. There it is. I see it. Holy shit. Your yellow jacket and a Cyrex. You got some good shit. Those last 4 things you got, the knife, the handgun, the Cyrex, and the yellow jacket, those are really cool skins.
Yeah. Dude, I'm shaking.
Jesus.
Dear God. Oh, I got factory new Urban Hazard. That's pretty good. Oh, dude.
I was like, it wasn't going good in the beginning. You're getting Labyrinth.
Yeah,
Labyrinth,
no.
or Hazard Labyrinth, P90. You got a fucking Nova, and then boom.
A little color never hurt anyone. Oh my God.
A little what?
A little color don't hurt any or didn't hurt anybody is what it says. Oh Jesus Christ.
What gun did I say that you? What knife did I say you would get first?
I think you said. I don't remember what you said. What I get first, but I know it wasn't the falchion knife because.
Yeah, I was trying to remember what knife it was. So there it is.
Oh my God! Look at this thing, dude. This thing is sick. Yeah, I think the reason it's. Oh, I suck. I think the reason why it's good.
Like you open $100 worth of cases before and they get shit, and then all of a sudden you just get it out of these cases.
Dude, it's beautiful.